Instagram has introduced a new feature enabling users to share comments from feed posts directly to their stories. So let's dive through the steps in this tutorial. Start by opening the Instagram app and locating the feed post containing the comment you want to share. Tap on the comment to open the comment section. Identify the specific comment you wish to share and swipe to the left. From the option that appears, tap on the Add to Story icon. It resembles a circle with a plus sign. Once selected, the comment you chose and the original post will be prepared as a story post. You can customize the layout of both comment and the image, adjust their size, and enhance your story with text, stickers, or drawings. Once you are satisfied with the edits, simply share it to your story. Viewers of your story can interact with the comment or image by tapping on them to view the full story. And that's all you need to do to share a comment from an Instagram feed post to your story. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more.